Guys, if you don't know, Zanny's actually like buff as hell. He's fit. And I'm not even like gassing him up. Zanny is fit. Zanny's very fit. He hugged me, I almost died again. That's how fit he is. He almost broke my spine. I'm not joking with you. I never wanted to say anything about that, but he almost killed me.